Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple ID login not working. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to log into your Apple ID, then there might be several reasons that is happening. The first thing to do is to make sure that your device that you're working with is connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Make sure to connect to a stable internet and enter your Apple ID and your password again. If you're still not being able to do that, then the next thing to do is to make sure that you are typing in the correct credentials for your Apple ID. Type in your email address that you created while signing up for Apple ID. Once you do that, go to the next step and type in your password correct. If you've forgotten your password or your Apple ID during logging in, you can tap on Forgotten your Apple ID or the password link. Sometimes your account might be locked due to too many failed login attempts, so be patient and wait for a couple of hours to log in back to your account again. Also try adjusting date and time settings on your iPhone. Simply go and tap Open Settings app and from the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Tap on the date and time option and make sure to toggle on the button that says Set Automatically under Date and Time. Another thing you can do is to force reboot your iPhone. Press and hold the power switch and slide the power button towards the right side. Once you are done, reboot your system, and once your iPhone restarts, go back and log into your Apple ID to see if that fixes the issue. You can also try updating your iOS to the latest version if you've not done that yet, since it can make a huge difference as well. Those were some of the easiest troubleshooting methods whenever you are not being able to log into your Apple ID. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.